Imagine having your own personal cloud at home. It's a wireless storage device that connects to the cloud, letting you access your information anytime and anywhere you want. Now is the time to say goodbye to bulky external cloud drives and hello to the best home cloud storage for home. It is simple, safe, and can grow with your needs. Learn how this new technology is changing the way we keep and save our data, whether it's on a personal cloud storage drive or a home cloud drive that gives us many storage choices. This blog post will share the 7 best reasons to upgrade to wireless storage and how it can improve your digital life. What are the benefits of cloud storage? Below are the top 7 benefits of wireless storage connected to the cloud. 1. Easy to use and reach. 2. Security. 3. Cost efficient. 4. Convenient sharing of files. 5. Automation. 6. Multiple users. 7. Synchronization. Let's dive into all the advantages of cloud storage one by one. 1. Easy to use and reach. The first significant advantage of cloud storage is how easy it is to use and access. Most cloud data storage services have a simple user interface and let you drag and drop files quickly. Consider a safe home cloud storage option like eShare.ai. You can use it easily. It has a simple design, and you can upload your file to your online drive without needing special skills. If you save a file on a drive with your phone, you can get that file back using a computer or any other device that has internet access. It doesn't matter where you are at this moment. 2. Security. Before picking a cloud service for your business, it's important to check that the service offers the best security. Cloud storage keeps your data on multiple servers. If one server fails, the other servers will still protect your data. This helps to keep your data safe and secure. Storage providers' data centers fail or get destroyed only when they cause data loss. However, this is quite unlikely because a cloud storage provider has thousands of data centers. Some cloud storage services save copies of your data in different places. So, if your data gets lost or damaged on one server, the backup will still be available. 3. Cost efficient. Storing data in the cloud can lower costs inside the company. The company does not need its own resources to manage and store data because the home cloud storage provider takes care of everything. Some home cloud storage options offer lifetime storage at a low price, which is excellent for small businesses and individual users. 4. Convenient sharing of files. All personal cloud options let you share files with other users easily. You can send a file to someone else or invite many people to see your data. Most vendors offer a cloud space where 2 users can share their data if they use the same cloud service. However, only a few vendors provide features for sharing files across different platforms. 5. Automation. Cloud storage services work similarly to a computer's hard disk. Storing a file in the cloud won't interfere with your current tasks. More than one person can use a cloud storage service. What one person does not change what another person is doing because the cloud service provider takes care of everything automatically. 6. Multiple users. One cloud environment can have multiple users linked to it. Cloud storage lets many people work together on the same file. You can allow many people to see and change your files. The approved person can see your file from anywhere in the world right away. 7. Working together. Another good thing about cloud storage is that it helps with syncing. You can sync your cloud storage data with any device you like. We can reach our data from any device and anywhere in the world, but we can do this because of synchronization. If you have the correct login details, you can sign into your storage service on any device and see all the data saved in the cloud. You don't have to move data between devices, but you do need a strong internet connection to get to your files. Bottom line, if you are still using old ways to keep your data, it's time to move to the cloud. No matter if you need storage for your business or for personal use, the cloud is a great choice. Say goodbye to big external drives, stop messing with the USB port, and forget about searching for that small flash drive. With eShare.ai, you can store your information safely and affordably. Here are 3 key reasons why we believe eShare.ai is a superior option for organizations. eShare.ai offers free document sharing in real time and has fast search features. Its version control feature keeps files safe, which is very important for businesses that make changes to their work over time. It enables collaboration tools to let team members work together on the same digital asset.